Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
The RTM fuse, guys. This is the radio transceiver module, guys, fuse. We'll demonstrate on 2016 F-150. You have two different fuse boxes on your truck, guys. The main fuse box is under the hood behind the car battery, and if you guys open that fuse box, you will see a layout like this one. Check this thing out. You have different fuses, relays that are Ford specific, hard to find, expensive and overpriced. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from for a good price and quick shipping. Now, the fuse that we need for the RTM is located in the cabin on your F-150 in the footwell on the passenger side. And if you remove that kick panel plastic here, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one right here. You can see now. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way don't waste time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out.
The RTM radio transceiver module fuse, guys, will be located in that row right here, luckily enough, because on this side you have double fuses that could be really hard to find, by the way. So we'll be in that row right here. Next to the fuses you have numbers. The number that we'll be looking for is fuse number 32. We're talking about that fuse number right here, 32. The 10M fuse will need to be checked, guys, for the RTM radio transceiver module.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.